In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create Figma student account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to provide so you can unlock Figma's education benefits. Start by opening your browser and going to figma.com/education. This is Figma's official education page where students and educators can access free tools. Once you're there, look for the Get Verified button and click it. That takes you to the application process. On the application screens, begin filling out the fields you see. You may encounter quick prompts or checkboxes. When you're asked to confirm or allow something related to verification, choose Yes. If you see prompts asking you to agree to terms or policies, click Yes, I agree each time those appear. Continue through these confirmations until you reach the point where you can proceed, then click Next to move forward. When you're asked who you are applying as, select Student. This ensures you're placed on the correct plan. Next, enter your field of study. Keep it accurate and specific. Choose the option that best matches what you're studying. Then provide your study level, such as undergraduate, graduate, or the equivalent in your education system. You'll now be asked for your graduation date. Pick the correct month and year that match your expected completion. You may see example values in the picker to guide you. Use those as a reference and then choose the date that applies to you. If your graduation year is listed in the options, select it accordingly. After confirming the graduation date, click Next to continue. Now select your country from the dropdown. Enter your school's official name as it appears on records. Provide your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your school documents. Add your birth date using the required format, and then enter your school email address. Make sure this is your institution-issued email, as that's what Figma uses to verify your status. Double check for typos in your name, date, and email to avoid delays. When everything looks correct, click Verify My Student Status. You should see a success message when verification goes through. At that point, you can log into your Figma student account and start using the education features right away. If the page takes a moment, just wait for the confirmation to appear and then sign in using the same email you provided. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.